Hey guys, we're back to another video. Today's video is a science test of Birdie Dogger's fire department. As done in the other video. So yeah, I think we have Crocky out too. So he's gonna probably sneak into his walkie-talkie to signal when we're gonna be doing it. So oh. What? Alright, so yeah. And he's done a test of the siren. Oh. That was a little bit of a quick one. So yeah. I don't know if they're doing anything else. But yeah. Yeah. So for today's video, yes. So yeah. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you in the next video.